There are 3 different types of grout that go into 99% of all installations.
How do I know what to choose?
Stick around to the end and I'll help you decide on which grout works best
for your project.
Number 1 is your basic, been around forever, sanded and non-sanded grout. Or is it unsanded grout? They mean the same. Non-sanded and unsanded equal. Number 2 is your high-performance cement grout. Now this is the turbocharged of number 1. And it still can be sanded and non-sanded. Number 3 is epoxy grout. Epoxy grout is a chemical-based grout. It doesn't have any cement in it. Joking, I didn't forget about you. As I promised, let's talk about which grout you need for your installation. Number 1 is the standard non-sanded and unsanded grout. These are your basic grouts. They have very little stain resistance, very little color consistency. So in my opinion, don't use them. Just upgrade. Really, seriously, just upgrade. Now that we've decided we're gonna upgrade, you have your high performance cement grout and your epoxy grouts for your residential showers, shower floors, kitchen floors, and kitchen backsplashes. The basic epoxy grout is great because it has high resistance to stain and is very cleanable. Almost any installation can use epoxy grout, so why do you even need number 2? You need it because epoxy grouts are a little more expensive.
Can be difficult.
The high performance cement grouts are wonderful. Easier to install. Their color consistency is on point. The chemical composition of these makes this grout really hard. And it is a good substitution for epoxy grout. We have talked a lot about grout, but really, it's not the most difficult part of the tile installation. Here's the checklist I put together for you. If you are installing your bathroom floors or walls, kitchen floor, or a foyer, I would choose high performance grout. Save time, save money, it will perform well. If you need grout for shower floors or shower walls, a kitchen backsplash, or anything on the outside, I would choose epoxy grout. If you are nervous about the difficulty and it exceeds your budget, it's okay. Drop back to the high performance grout and you'll be fine. If you have chosen the basic sanded and non-sanded grout, that's okay. I would suggest investing in a sealer. This will protect your installation for the long term. No matter what grout you choose, develop a good maintenance program using tile-specific cleaners and sealers. Did I answer your question about grout today? If not, leave it in a comment down below and I will answer your specific question. Please like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. You want to learn a little bit more about epoxy grout? I have a couple of videos attached here. Go a little more in depth. We look forward to seeing you next time and tile the world.